Hello, colleagues. This is Crystal from Crystal Clear ESL. I'd like to introduce our Business English course. This course offers 50 dynamic lessons suitable for students B1 and above on the CEFR. This is the perfect course to get your students speaking and listening in English with relevant, engaging business content. There are additionally plenty of opportunities to read and write built into the slides as well. The slides you see now are from a range of lessons, which are all built around the PPP teaching model. We present new subject matter, be that conceptual or grammar-based. We have the students practice through activity-based slides, such as fill in the blank and matching activities, which are fully adaptable as well as interactive using your favorite online suppliers like Zoom. And finally, production, where your student can practice and demonstrate what they've learned through discussion questions, writing tasks, and other activities. There's also built-in homework, which we encourage you to follow up at the start of every subsequent lesson. We use the I do, you do, we do model to get the students involved and learning, progressing at their best rate. These lessons are perfect for one-on-one lessons, but are also highly adaptable for groups. As I mentioned, they are suitable for levels B1 plus on the CEFR. Right now, you can access them for free using our trial period. It's a great opportunity to try them out and make sure they work for you. Please visit our website at www.esl-curriculum.com. Feel free to get in touch with me via the chat box or the contact form for any questions or suggestions on how to use our content. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today. Take care.